Is this the toughest sequences question type? Let's find out.
So in this 2024 question, we have a sequence and we have many unknowns over here. But one information is that the difference between any two consecutive terms is the same number. All right. And we have two values given to us. One is our 15 and 105. So problem with this question is that there are many unknowns, right? And so we have to think about how to reduce the number of unknowns to solve them. So first, I'm going to let the common difference between these terms be D. And you may be wondering, why do I add in another unknown right here, right? Because by adding in this, okay, plus D, plus D, plus D, plus D, I will be able to form an equation to say that W plus D gives me 15, which allows me to also change my x, y, and z to W plus 2D. Y is W plus 1, 2, 3, 3D, and Z will be W plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4D. All right. Because I have the sum, which is 105, I'm allowed to use these new unknowns that I have to equate it to 105. And we will have a second equation of 5W plus 10D equals to 105. So you can see that by adding an extra unknown, it actually allows me to reduce the rest of the unknowns, and we have two equations and two unknowns. So what does that mean? We'll be able to do a simultaneous equation. So right here, these are my two equations. I reduce my second equation first to a smaller number, and I actually let D be the subject here because I'm going to apply the substitution method. I'm going to sub equation 1 into equation 2, then we will be able to actually solve for our first term W to be equals to 9. Once you have W equals to 9, you can sub it back into equation 1 to have 15 minus 9 to give us D equals to 6. And with that, you'll be able to find your X, Y, and Z ready. Your W is 9, your X is 21, and Y is 27. Last but not least, Z is 33.